Hi, hello, namaskar, and sastriyakal. This is Saujanya Hegde taking on a journey with gems of global Ghana. And today we have a gentleman who's really a gem of global Ghana because he's a top one performer of global Ghana all over India today. Please help me welcome Balavelu Yutham, very popularly known as Balu sir. Namaste, sir.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yes. He's the state head of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry that we all know as. By profession, he's a distributor of LPG conversion. Tamil Nadu at the top. With that motto, he has always led from the front and not allowing his team to come back. He's always in the top one position all over India in Global Gunner and his team. With double added responsibility as the national head and state head, definitely has a double burden, but doing equally good in both his portfolios. Please welcome, in knowing more about this journey, welcome to you once again, Balu sir.
Welcome.
Yes, more than a year that you are associated with Global Garner. GG as a name, as a brand. How has it played a part in your life, sir?
Global Garner, actually, we can say last 1 year has entirely changed the way of living for us because we have changed ourselves a lot. Global Garner itself a new exciting concept in the world, I can say. I have traveled through many parts of the world and from the entire India almost I have traveled. But I have never seen such a concept like Global Garner, an exciting one. That's why the journey of last 1 year was very exciting in Global Garner and moving with a different set of people, new team, new challenges, new adventures, we can say. It is a great going for the last 1 year.
Awesome, superb, sir. So you are also the state head and also have an added responsibility of being the national head. Does that give you double pressure or is it easier to take the way through?
No, once we take it, we can say it is as a pressure also, and it is a responsibility to enjoy the entire national presence, and we are able to see a lot of things what is happening in national, and it is gives me the pleasure of implementing whatever we have done in Tamil Nadu. We are able to implement it throughout the India, and whatever the good in the rest of the countries, I can take it and implement it in India, Tamil Nadu also. So it gives a pleasure and also a little bit pressure on the other side also, being handling the entire India and bringing up and meeting the expectations and the goals of global.
Yes, sir. So the expectation and goals, when you said the CMD Vikas Rawat, he already is claiming that Global Garner is going to emerge as world's largest company by 2022. Now, how is that possible? I ask everybody, is it possible? That's the question I ask. So I'm asking you the same thing. Is it possible?
Yeah, I can say definitely it will be possible by 2020. We all believe in that concept of Global Garner. I usually say to many other people, whoever I met in a lot of programs, I used to say, like how mobile phones come with an inbuilt app like Amazon. A day will come where even every mobile operator and a new mobile phones will be coming out with a Global Garner inbuilt app within it themselves. Such a fantastic concept is there. Definitely, once it goes and clicks and reaches throughout the India, definitely we will be reaching the world's top company in the world of its time.
Wow, that's really nice. A new concept that I got. It'll be an inbuilt app in most of the mobiles because now I don't think anybody comes without a mobile. Filal, they might leave their wallet or their card, but mobile they will never leave and go. So some.
Yeah.
Right, sir. So when we talk about Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, how difficult is it to convince people about the global garden? Because the mindset is that way. So how was it for you to convince people?
Convincing is not a big challenge. Only challenge we face in Global Garner is it takes time to understand for the people because it is such a vast concept and a huge concept where people cannot digest the concept of Global Garner on the first time because they are going to see many things in Global Garner as they are hearing and seeing it in the first time in the world. So it will take some time for them to understand and digest the concept. Once it comes, it will flourish like anything. So Tamil Nadu, I can say it is leading an example since we started last 1 year. Now, the day one we faced a lot of challenges. Now it is easy going for entire Tamil Nadu people, I can say.
We have heard about Balu sir being very emotionally bonding to the team and very nicely motivating to the team. But in one side, we see increased number of online brands, offline shops, vendors, local marketers, everybody growing up in the number of Global Garner digital mall, as you say. And on the other side, we have increasing number of people who are downloading the app or using the app. The users are increasing. At the same time, there are people who are trying to be on the top as Global Garner performers. So being on the top, how would you fare that you will remain on the top? Because reaching the top is easy, but continuously keeping that consistency of remaining on the top. Now, what is your magic funda for that, sir?
I can say the reaching the top and maintaining the top, I can say the team of Tamil Nadu Global Garner is so strong. We never see it as a team. We always see it as a Global Garner family. That's why we get a lot of family involvement in Global Garner. That is one among the reason for the success of Tamil Nadu. And we do consistently also whatever we had done in day one, still we are doing with a lot of things. So the consistency and taking Global Garner as a family organization was the reason behind that going into the top and maintaining the top till now. Hope we will maintain the top position in the days to come.
Very nice. That is really nice. I'm sure there is some magical strategy that you have which you wouldn't want to share, because a lot of other state heads have mentioned that we will emerge as the top one. We will emerge as the, not that they're going to beat you, but personally they want to go and achieve the top position. But so coming back to your area, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, what will be your contribution when we see the company reaching the top one position? Because there will be some target that the company will be looking at. So what is your state's contribution to its achievements?
As a state of Tamil Nadu, we can say that we always want to contribute 50% of the target of Global Garner. Still now we are able to maintain it. Whatever the turnover Global Garner is doing in the rest of India, we want to take it 50% credit to Tamil Nadu. That is the reason now we are able to keep up Tamil Nadu. Hope in the days to come also, we will keep the legacy maintaining and going on. And as you said, every state want to be on the top. As a national sales said, it is a pleasure to hear that every state wants to come up in the top, so that the overall performance of Global Garner will also go up. So it is a happy moment. We are getting more and more competitors and for the top slot.
Very nice. Thank you, sir. So I think there's a very healthy competition in Global Garner family, because everybody says we don't want to beat anybody. For us, ultimately, Global Garner as a family should grow. But yes, our territory should grow. That is definitely there. So if you have that one suggestion or advice or some magical moment that you can add up to Global Garner, what would you suggest?
See, magical moment we can say for Global Garner is our CMD Vikas dream of reaching 9 lakh digital malls as early as possible. Hope once we reach that 9 lakh digital malls, then it will be the magical moment for entire India and Global Garner. And once that magical figure of 9 lakh, when the day when we reaches, we will be in a different mode and we will be in a commanding mode in the sales and ecosystem of it. Not only in India, entire world, because we will be having 9 lakh sales force in our hand to market any product. That will be something awesome in the world.
Wow, that sounds really, really magical. Okay, definitely being the sales head of the national level, you are even thinking at being the world's topmost. Now, for being that Tamil Nadu at its top, always reading from the front, what is your GGNs from your territory, sir?
See, my message to the GGNs of Tamil Nadu, I can say, keep maintaining this legacy, keep working hard. Next 1 year will be a big challenging year to maintain this legacy and take maximum share for Tamil Nadu. Once it happens, definitely we will be on the top. My appeal to each and every GG family members of Tamil Nadu is start building up the concept as fast as you can, so that we will maintain that legacy.
Wow, that is simple. So as I have heard about Balu sir, he is very good with his team and that emotional bonding with his team, and his words definitely proved that it is true that emotional bonding is very much important. So before we wind up, I would like to say thank you to Balu sir for sparing your time and giving me some insights about his team and his expectation or his dreams to reach the company to the topmost. Let me close by saying great leaders don't tell you what to do, but they show you how to do it. And here is such leader who is showing the team how to do it and is taking the team together to achieve that wonderful dream that the company has. So all the very best to Balu sir. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, closing this episode for today, here was a gem of Global Garner, coming back again with another gem of Global Garner in the next episode. Thank you and namaste.
Thank you.